Have you heard that micro influencers are way more effective than massive followings? Well, let me turn you up then. It's a fact. Why is that? Now let's just think about Instagram, for instance. A lot of people these days is talking about how bad the reach is for your natural organic audience, right? When I post something, not all of my followers see it. So what happens to people with 2 million followers? Think about that. What about 50,000 followers? I guarantee you, if you go through 20 different influencers on both ends, you look at people in the 50 to 60,000 range, even people with 20,000 followers and up. And then you look at the people on average with 2 million followers or more. You look at the amount of comments, the amount of likes, the amount of engagement. On average, the micro influencers or the people sub 100K followers are doing a lot more of an engagement percentage than the people with massive followings. The other thing bad about people with massive followings is a lot of them joints is fake. They be faking the funk because nobody's gonna know. Who's gonna know? I'm not gonna know. Yes, we know. Fake followers, okay? So when you building out your influencer campaigns, focus on the cats that's actually getting engagement, the lower amounts of followings, the ones that's tapped in with their followers a lot more. Because I guarantee you, not only are you going to save money on the campaigns that you run with them, but you're going to get far better results on average every time.